Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Next, question number 9. Distinguish between, first one is simple epithelium and compound epithelium, cardiac muscle and striated muscles, dense regular and dense irregular connective tissues, adipose tissues and blood tissues, simple gland and compound gland. First of all, we will look at the differences between simple epithelium and कंपाउंड एपिथेलियम. सिंपल एपिथेलियम में क्या होता है, सिंगल लेयर होती है, सिर्फ वन लेयर ऑफ सेल्स होते हैं. कंपाउंड में मेनी लेयर्स ऑफ सेल्स होते हैं. सिंपल एपिथेलियम के फंक्शन क्या है, एब्जॉर्प्शन एंड सिक्रीशन, वेयर एज कंपाउंड एपिथेलियम आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर प्रोटेक्शन. सिंपल एपिथेलियम आर प्रेजेंट इन द लाइनिंग ऑफ स्टमक एंड इंटेस्टाइन, whereas compound epithelium कहाँ प्रेजेंट होता है, lining of pharynx and buccal cavity. Next one, differences between cardiac muscles and striated muscles. Cardiac muscles are involuntary, आपके कंट्रोल में नहीं होती, whereas striated muscles are voluntary, controllable होते हैं. Cardiac muscles are multinucleated and branched, whereas striated muscles are multinucleated but are not branched, they are unbranched. Cardiac muscles are found in heart and striated muscles are found in biceps, triceps and limbs. Coming to the next differences between dense regular connective tissue and dense irregular connective tissue. Dense regular connective tissue, collagen fibers are present in rows between parallel bundle boundless fibers. Whereas dense irregular connective tissue, fibers are arranged irregularly. इसमें irregularly arranged होते हैं, उसमें parallelly arranged होते हैं in rows. Next, they are present in tendons and ligaments, and they are present in the skin around muscles and organs. Next, coming to the differences between adipose tissues and blood tissues. Adipose tissues are composed of, किससे बने होते हैं, collagen fibers, elastin fibers, fibroblasts, macrophages and adipocytes. क्या करते हैं ये, स्टोरेज करते हैं एंड मेटाबॉलिज्म करते हैं ऑफ फैट्स. ब्लड टिश्यूज किससे बने होते हैं, दे आर कंपोज्ड ऑफ WBCs, RBCs, प्लेटलेट्स एंड प्लाज्मा. और इनका फंक्शन क्या है, दे हेल्प्स इन द ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ फूड, वेस्ट गैसेस एंड हॉर्मोन्स. Next, adipose tissues are present beneath the skin, whereas blood tissues are present in blood vessels. Next difference is between simple glands and compound glands. Simple glands are isolated glandular cells. Compound glands are cluster of secretory cells. Simple glands are unicellular, whereas compound glands are multicellular. Examples of simple glands are goblet cells of alimentary canal, whereas compound glands are salivary glands. So these were the various differences between simple epithelium, compound epithelium, cardiac muscles and striated muscles, dense regular and dense irregular connective tissues, adipose and blood tissues, simple glands and compound glands.